Welcome to Yosemite National Park. I'm camping tonight at Crane Flat Campground, which has just opened after a 4-year refurb. Crane Flat Campground is located on Highway 140 at the Tioga Road Junction on the Big Flat Oak entrance into Yosemite. It's around 30 minutes from Yosemite Valley itself. Nearby you will find the Crane Flat gas station. While the pumps are on 24 hours a day for self-service, the kiosk and gift shop inside only opens seasonally. Crane Flat has 5 loops with 536 campsites in. I opted to stay at site 300 in the 3rd loop for my stay. Hey guys, welcome to Crane Flats Campground in Yosemite National Park. So this is located really close to the Crane Flats gas station on the road coming into the park from the Big Flat Oak entrance. So this is my campsite for the night. It's Camp 300 and it's got a double drive. Now this campsite has recently been refurbished. It's actually been closed for the last 4 years and only reopened 2 days ago. So I was really lucky to snag a spot here. So I'll come and show you some of the things that are new here and some of the facilities. So if you're planning on staying here, you know what to expect. The first thing to note is all of the campsites have had new parking lot spaces put in, so you can see it's quite fresh tarmac. And they all have brand new picnic benches as well. So you can see these posts are new to stop people parking in places where they shouldn't, basically. And as you can see by the road, it's really smooth, like flawlessly smooth. And this is one of the bathroom facilities. I'm just gonna have a little wash up in here, so I'll just quickly show you. There's 2 sinks, so there's running water, a urinal, and 2 cubicles here in the men's. Doesn't look like there's any lights though. So if you come in the night, you might need to take a flashlight or your phone. Just outside of the restrooms, you will find a drinking water spout. It's also got fresh gravel located underneath to stop it getting boggy and slippy. And I found the water to taste quite good. As expected, all sites come with a fire ring, a picnic table, and a beer box where you must store all of your scented items. So my tent is all set up. In camp. There's a little deer just through there. Just as I'd made camp, this gorgeous little deer came in to visit me. Hey, do you come to see my camp? So I guess not having too many people come to the camp for the last couple of years has helped sort of get wildlife a bit more comfortable around here, because the deer that was just here came right up to where my site was, and then he walked right through on the road. Yeah, it was really, really cool. Hopefully some bears will come later. I am gonna now have some dinner. So I forgot to bring gas, but I could buy that in the village store. I also managed to buy this, which is a mushroom risotto, in there as well, so I can use my jet boil and make my dinner. I love how jet boil tells you when the water's ready. So water in. Make sure coaster. And in 20 minutes my dinner will be ready. Now I have mixed results with this, so let's see how we get on. It's always the challenge for me. It's looking good, folks. So just on the way out from my camp, there's these trash receptacles. Now I wish I knew that this would be the case, because I had bought a whole JetBoil canister and I have barely used it, so I'm going to leave it there in the hope that somebody else can benefit from it. I would rate my experience at Crane Flats as really positive. It's a great refresh and the sites are really well spread out. I'd definitely stay again. So please do like and subscribe to the channel.